Hey, in this video, we're going to talk about how to install Java JDK 19. Let's begin. It's very simple. First, open your browser and type in Java, and you will see their official website. Go ahead and click it. Now once you're inside, there's a download Java icon. Click this. And select download again. Then once it's done, it will pop up at the bottom. Then click install. And wait for a few seconds and it will be done. Now once it's done, to check it, go to search and type in setting. Inside, click apps and apps and features and search, type in Java. And there you have it. That's it. I hope this video helped you out.